Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will have 50 plus free paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I given 30 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Project Development using Java for Beginner 2021. In this course, you will understand the best practice in writing high quality Java code. You will learn write awesome object oriented programming with Java. You will learn advanced OOP concepts like extraction, inheritance, encapsulation, and polymerism. We will also learn the basic programming variable like choosing data types, conditional, loop statement, and etc. You will learn basic functional of Java programming with Java. You will also learn a basic OOP, interference, inheritance, extract class, and constructor. You will acquire all the skills, demonstrate, and expertise with Java programming in your job interview. You will also solve wide range of hand-on programming exercises with Java. This course in 46 hours on-demand view of full lifetime access, excel on mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Microsoft SQL Server for Beginner Crash course. In this course, you will learn enhanced SQL query writing skills, database crash course designed for beginner database programming. This course is 2.5 hour on-demand video for downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Modern JavaScript for React.js ES6. In this course, you will learn the basic concept of modern JavaScript ES6, learn the variable creation using let and const keyword and their scope, learn where to use rest and spread operation, learn what is IDD structuring, learn functional programming in ES6 using map, filter, reduce, find, etc. function, learn to details about callback and promise along with chaining process. This course in 1.5 hour on-demand view of full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is SASS for beginner to expert. In this course, you will install SASS, write a clean, easy to maintain code in SASS, import SASS file, make a CSS file to compress to automatically use SASS language syntax, create a professional clean project, create responsive web design using SASS. This course in 3 hour on-demand video, 1 article, 15 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is the complete React.js course, basic to advanced. In this course, you will learn introduction to what is React and basic concept, learn what is JSX and how to work behind it the scene, learn what are the stateful and stateless components and where to use them, working with function-based and class-based component, working with React module, importing and exporting that module, learn in detail how to render method works, React component lifecycle and different lifecycle method, creating dynamic website with the help of the reusable component, creating a proper work structure for a project from scratch, which will help to maintain your project for long term. This course is 3.5 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is JavaScript Basic to Advanced Step by Step 2021. In this course, you will learn basic of JavaScript, data types, loops, array, object, function, etc. Introduction to DOM and BOM in Java, OOP concept in JavaScript, working with jQuery. This course is 10 hour on-demand video, 20 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next was Qt6 core beginner with C++. In this course, you will learn Qt C++ cross-platform programming on Windows, Mac, and Linux for beginner using Qt6. This course is 15.5 hour on-demand video, 6 article, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and assignment and certification completion. The next course is Writing Coding Interviews Masterclass C++ Data Structure. In this course, you will learn use to C++ STL efficient in coding interview. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobile and TV, and certification completion. The next course is Up and Running with Container in AWS. In this course, you will understand the concept of containerization, learn how to build a Docker image and run container, learn how to work with Docker CLI and Docker Compose, create AWS infrastructure with Terraform, deploy container with ECS and Copilot, create a pipeline for a container application with few steps with Copilot, create a EKS cluster from scratch and deploy an application, build a private and secure network infrastructure for accessing your container application, deploy Docker containers to ESC Fargate, EKS and Elastic Beanstalk, deliver a secure container image with sync, scan, create a EKS cluster using EKSKIT, deploy a multi-container application to AWS, publishing Docker image to ECR and Docker Hub, build multi-stage Docker image. This course in 4.5 on 4 article 1 downloadable is full lifetime access, exam volunteer and certification completion. The next course is a complete guide to APS.NET Core Web API. In this course, you will learn build .NET Core back and with Web API, Entity Framework Core, and SQL database. You utilize all the three types of relationship in your database, such as one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. Seed data with code, first migration programming, implement HTTP post, methods of work, and simple relational data. Test a web API with Swagger and Postman. Different web API version method, the default action return types, and create a custom return types. Exception handling using the built-in middleware to a custom middleware, server-side sorting, filtering, and paging. ASP.NET Core Web and API login with Serilog. This course is 6 hours on demand your full lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is complete machine learning with RStudio ML for 2021. In this course, you will learn to solve real-life problems using machine learning technique, machine learning models such as linear regression, logistic regression, KNN, etc. Advanced machine learning models such as decision tree, XGBoost, random forest, SVM, etc. Understand the basic of statistics and concept of machine learning, how to do basic statistical operation, and run ML model in our in-depth knowledge of data collection and data pre-processing for machine learning program, how to convert business problem into a machine learning problem. This course in 13 around even 5 downloadable 5 article, 4 downloadable is full lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is the complete React Redux Node Expression MySQL developer course. In this course, you will full stack development React and Redux and Node and Express MySQL, integrate Node with MySQL DB and create CRUD app. This course will 8 around 9 article, 9 downloadable full lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is React the complete guide with React Hook Redux 2021 in 4 hours. In this course, you will build high performance and user-friendly web app, realize the power of using component in React, unleash the power of JavaScript with help of React. This course is 6 hours on demand 4 article, 41 downloadable full lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is complete modern JavaScript Firebase Bootcamp the beginner. In this course, you will go to total beginner to advanced JavaScript developer, asynchronous JavaScript, an event, loop, promises, async, await, Ajax, and API, OOP including ES5 prototypes and ES6 classes, ES6 features like arrow, function, classes, default, and rest parameter, etc. This course is 6 hours on demand 3 article 107 downloadable full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is complete progressive web app bootcamp. In this course, you will learn what is progressive web pages, use server worker to enable an application to work offline, create a progressive web app that is installable to the home screen. This course is 2 hours on demand 21 downloadable full lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is complete Node.js course with Express, Socket, IO, and MongoDB. In this course, you will learn build a backend with Node.js for your website and mobile app, use modern JavaScript, ES6, implement core operation, implement authentication with JWT, Node.js basic and basic core module, parsing request and sending response using Express.js, build REST API, building a real-time Node.js app with Socket IO, deploy Node.js application. This course is 4.5 on demand 1 article, 68 downloadable full lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. The next was a React Native Expo for multi-platform mobile app development. In this course, you will build a native mobile app with JavaScript and React, build a real-world native Todo app using React Native, develop both iOS and Android mobile app. This course is 2.5 on demand your 2 article 42 download basis for lifetime access, XM mobility and certification completion. The next course is Vue.js and Firebase. Build an iOS and Android chat app 2021. In this course, we will learn build an amazing real-world iOS and Android chat application, implement Firebase authentication to a mobile app, send image to friend through a mobile app. You create a chat, how to create a group chat which allow the add and remove member, implement email verification and forgot password to Firebase authentication. These courses in 10 on demand your 2 article, 1 downloaded resources, full lifetime exam warranty and certification. The next was affiliate marketing and organic SEO in 2021, the fast track. In this course, you will learn be a successful at affiliate marketing and learn income, learn how to build a website, write content, and write rank well in SEO. This course will fire on demand your 1 article, 11 downloaded resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is Microsoft Excel, learn MS Excel for data analysis. In this course, you will learn write and learn basic Excel formula, understand how to think outside the box and create powerful Excel project, learn how to make basic data analysis with Excel, learn how to work with massive amount of data, learn how to perform data analytics by performing a multiple project, understand the basic of Microsoft Excel and be able to use amazing application for different tasks. This course will fire on demand your 1 article, full lifetime access, exam mobility and certification completion. The next course is Certified Six Sigma White Belt. In this course, you will learn the concept, basic understanding of Six Sigma concept. You will also learn basic understanding and DMAIC approach of process improvement. This course is 1 on demand your 3 article, 1 downloading resources, full lifetime access, exam mobility and certification completion. The next course is Introduction to Forex. Learn to trade Forex by yourself. In this course, you will learn trading Forex on their own, creating a own Forex strategy, understanding how to make a good market analysis, be able to find right decision information to make a good trading decision, understanding how to start in the trading industry, learn different ways to this course in 4 on demand your full lifetime access, excel mobility and certification completion. The next course is the complete photography 21 course in 1, beginner to expert. In this course, you will learn portrait photography, landscape photography, stock photography, photography composition, black and white, and more. This course is 8.5 on demand with 11 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is 2021 Ultimate Guide to a YouTube channel and YouTube Masterclass. In this course, you will learn what is YouTube and how to use YouTube, beginner, intermediate, and advanced tip of YouTube growth, how to create and grow YouTube channel from scratch, how to record your first YouTube video, how to scale your YouTube, how to get more views on YouTube, how to get more YouTube subscriber, constant update as a YouTube viewer. This course is 10.5 on demand your full lifetime access, exam mobility and certification commission. The next course you will learn marker drawing from sketch to professionally. In this course, you will learn the ability to sketch like designer and expand the ability to show off your display ideas professionally. High speed and ability to inking pens. Use the marker in rendering for sketch. Draw different sketches from more perspective. Get learn to texture like glass, mobile, wood, and stone. These courses to are on demand with $17 for lifetime access, exam mobility and certification commission. The next course is MBA in Creative Art, Design and Animation Level 2 Part 1. In this course, you will learn build and design website when landing page with implementable AI technology in 2021. Create a chatbot for a site fastest limited possible using AI. Make a Apple TV app with no coding and learn website portal using AI. Learn to create self-update website that can update it with new content automatically all through the day. This course in 3 are on demand video, 2 article, full lifetime access, exam mobility and certification completion. The next course is MBA in AI, Digital Marketing Term 2.1. In this course, you learn Artificial Intelligence Expert Certification 2021 edition. In this course, you will learn 16.5 on demand video, 28 download uses, full lifetime access, exam mobility, assignment and certification completion. The next course is MBA in Artificial Intelligence, Digital Marketing Term 1.2. In this course, you will learn create a website fast and easy tool using AI tool, automated LinkedIn networking, and market your profile using a powerful automation platform. Create video to promote your branding using powerful cloud-based video creation. Create an app in fastest time possible using a cloud-based AI app making tools that serve a game changer. Create a quick resume and using an incredible artificial intelligence tools online. Know the most about popular freelancing platform to find a freelancing job online. The new affiliate marketing tools for 2021. Get know some incredible startup idea for marketing. These courses you 5.5 on demand video full lifetime access, extra mobility and certification completion. The next course is how to easily set up export business online any country. In this course, you will learn secret of setting up a profitable online export business, how to create an online export showroom to a product and service, how to create a range of the product for selling online, how to create a target overseas online commerce customer. These courses 3 are on demand video, one downloadable is full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV and certification completion. The next course will learn 4 steps to make money online by blogging. In this course, you will learn simple steps that may be life changing by income by blogging. These courses 3 are on demand video, one article full lifetime access, extra mobile and TV and certification completion. The next is learn 47 different ways to make money online. These courses will learn over 47 ways to make money online. These courses 3 are on demand video, one article, full lifetime exam variety and certification completion. The next is FEMA and RCM failure mode risk management fundamental. In this course, you will learn all the failure mode and effect of analysis and reliability center maintenance fundamental this course. This course is 3.5 on demand video, full lifetime access, extra mobility and certification completion. The next course is Leadership Micro Learning Masterclass Essential Leadership. In this course, you learn the most important goal that you are must to become a successful leader, learn how to motivate team to overcome a challenge to attain success, learn how to think a big and outside the learn the box, become highly influential to a leader, learn the secret to do and don't of successful leader, learn about the traits and some of the most influential people in the history and what made them stand out as a great leader, learn how to get the most out of the team, individual and personality. Learn how to use strategy and tactics to win, and learn how to communicate effectively with the audience, create a larger than life presence. These courses 30 minutes on demand your full life text, exam mobility and certification condition. The next course is GDPR compliance and data protection, data privacy for beginner. In this course, even GDPR regulation and how each are applied in real world situation, the difference between the data protection and data privacy, obligation of business in relation and personal data, the responsibility of data protection, official and employees, reportable and non-reportable data breach. These courses 32 minutes on demand with full lifetime access, exam volunteering and certification completion. The next course is the first step into selling smarter. In this course, you will learn accessories training, how to set a smart goal, time management tips, types of selling. This course is 1 hour on demand with full lifetime access, exam volunteering and certification completion. The next course is Active Campaign Email Automation Masterclass. In this course, you will learn active account setup, lead magnet setup, 3 essential email automation that every business must have, how to easily create email automation sequence that make you and your business look professional, responsive and top quality in service, welcome sequence setup, how to create and publish the welcome email to sequence to new and perfection playing client who adore you, pipeline and deals, how to effect editing and formatting, campaign, segment, and tapping, and many more. These courses 3 are on demand video full lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. The next is pitching your brilliant idea or project. In this course, you will learn how to promote your idea or project and turn into reality. This course is 1 hour demand video, 1 practice full lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. The next was a QuickBook Online Multiple Currency. In this course, you will learn QuickBook Online, including possible free 30-day trial, how to turn your multi-currency feature, set up account related to multi-currency, including account type of cash, account receivable and accountable payable, enter the transaction related to foreign country account receivable. Enter transaction related to foreign currency include account payable. Enter the transaction related to forward contact of speculation. Enter transaction related to forward contacts and jurisdictions of foreign currency transactions. This course is 9 on demand year for Article 8 downloadable is full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is QuickBook Online 2021 and 2020 Start to Finish. In this course, you will set up QuickBook account, navigate QuickBook software, enter the normal business transaction, reconcile bank account, generate a report including a balance sheet and income statement and supporting report, analysis report, export report to Excel. This course in 144 hour on demand 43 article, 490 downloadable messages for lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is setup, bookkeeping, accounting, and reporting. In this course, you will learn real world accounting with the best accounting software, sales and receivable management, expenses and payable management. This course in 2.5 on demand full lifetime exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is managerial accounting, cost accounting. In this course, you will learn how to a job ordering costing system work and what the type of business would you use, how to process costing system work and types of business would use it, cost volume of analysis, and how to use CVP tools to use make business decision rationally, how to construct master budget, how to construct flexible budget and use it to make rational decisions, how to use responsibility, accountability to hold a different way of area accountable in rational way, relevant cost analysis and took to make a rational business decision, time make value to money technique to help a decision for about long-term project. This course is 53.5 on demand video, 192 downloadable messages for lifetime access, exam warranty and certification completion. The next was a personal capital free financial planner application. In this course, you will learn what is personal capital software and how it is used, how the personal capital software compared to other accounting and financial management software, how to access and set up a free software, how to use financial data to create an income statement, the benefit of net worth of balance sheet in one location, how to access and use investment tool and analysis, how to use financial planning tools like retirement planner, how to use home appraisal tool, outflow of add and non-financial institute asset and liabilities and make the net worth of balance sheet more complete. The next course is QuickBook Desktop Non-Profit for Organization. In this course, you will learn non-profit accounting using QuickBook, including a charity, healthcare organization, and college. How to set up a QuickBook for a not-for-profit organization. How to organize a chart of account for a not-profit organization in QuickBook. How to enter data into QuickBook using form. And how to use transaction with impact the financial statement. How to customize form for a non-profit organization using QuickBook. How to generate an analysis report for a profit organization using QuickBook. This course will learn for 5 on demand video, 10 articles, 7 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, some warranty, and certification commission. The next course is corporate finance. In this course, you will learn how to read and analyze financial statement, how to read and analyze financial statement, how to use Excel or Google Sheet to work on managed practice problem. This course is 90 on demand video, 169 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification commission. The next course is Money in Excel, Income Tax, SHC and Personal Financial. In this course, you will learn what is Money in Excel and can be useful for how to set up Money in Excel template, how to connect Money in Excel to financial institute, how to add account or category and subcategory to data, how to sort business and personal data, how to create an income statement that may be useful for taxes, how to create a balance sheet or statement of net position, how to use the money in Excel budgeting template. These courses 3 are on demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty and certification completion. The next course is individual income tax for 1040 completion problem. In this course, you will learn how to complete a tax return, how to calculate tax using tax formula, how to use tax software to help complete a complex return, how to use Excel text without worksheet, how to check work. This course will get only one view, 5 downloadable full after access, exam mobility, and solution of issue. The next course is Fundamental of Mathematics. In this course, you will learn fundamental of mathematics through animation, explaining plenty of solved example for exam. This course is led by 5 only 1 year full after access, exam mobility, and solution of issue. The next course is new set math practice test expert. In this course, you will get a tip to prevent making mistake correctly. Use calculator. This course is 8.5 only 1 year 2 article 3 downloadable resources full after access, Excel mobility, and statistical machine. The next course is new set max course. In this course, you will learn Heart of Algebra easily. This course will do only 1 year full after access, Excel mobility, and statistical machine. The next course is Basic of Proofreading. In this course, you will learn what is proofreading do, learn proofreading symbol, strategy to proofreading to a paper and screen, proofreading business document. This course is 1.5 only 1 year full after access, Excel mobility, and statistical machine. The next course is how to write a romance novel. In this course, you will learn how to write a romance. In this course, you will learn how to write a romance novel, how to write a fiction. This course will learn on demand of full life access, Excel mobility, and statistical machine. The next course is quantity surveying with rate analysis and takeoff beginner. In this course, you will learn quantity surveying, quantity takeoff, data analysis, plan Swift, Bluebeam, pre-contract, post-contract, contract, construction estimation, pricing, cost control, contract administration, tender, block. This course will be one on-demand video, one article, one downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobility, and statistical machine. The next course is German language course, authenticate dialects and accent. In this course, you will learn listening skill of German accent and dialects, comprehensive German dialects. This course will 31 minutes, only one video, one article, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, Excel mobility, and statistical machine. The next course is Old in 2021, how to deal with it. In this course, you will learn protect against COVID-19 and also the effect of lockdown, pass the tips and idea, thought and story to elder relatives and friends, learn the anti-inflammatory diet, 300 plus fight, board to prevent prevention again, improve sleep, oxygenate your blood, overcome loneliness, and many more. This course is 4 on-demand video, 23 downloadable resources, full lifetime Excel mobility, and statistical machine. All the course links are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video with friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.